So, welcome aboard the Tech Genius XY Express. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for your passport to programming in English and Hausa. Thank you for joining us in this presentation. So, we are going to cover our continuation of Python's programming, which we are still learning the basic of data structures. So, in this presentation, we are going to discuss more about sets. So our learning objective is going to focus on how we are going to explore the fundamental of sets, data type, set data structure, and its method and data manipulation. Okay, we are also reminding ourselves what data structure is. So they are containers for organizing and storing data efficiently. Okay, so this will be our focus for this presentation. What is sets? Sets are an ordered collection of unique elements. Unique element, that is what we're interested in sets. So that means sets has to, it returns unique element. So whatever you pass to sets you have is going to be unique. Even if you repeat whatever you repeat either string or integer, whatever data type that you repeated in your list or in tuple is going to get unique. So that is it. Let's dive to our um, interactive window. Okay, so this is our interactive window. Sets are collection of unique elements. Sets are unordered and unordered sets. So uh, we declare our variable, we assign, you can use the word sets just like this to create the sets. We can also use curly braces to create sets. So in this case, we are using the keyword, which is for the set. So we are calling the keyword just like the way we can do for tuple. So we can also pass tuple here. So this becomes tuple. If you remove this set and put tuple name here, this change to tuple. So you get the picture. Okay, so we are passing iterable item. This iterable item. We can iterate through it. So that's why we are passing it like a list here. One, two, three, three, two. So we are repeating ourselves, and we are printing the variable. So here we are passing string abv. So we are this is the output. We when we run, I've already test run this, so we can also rerun it. So here is the output. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but here we put 2 twice and 3 twice. So as you can see, it's been unique. So unique element, that is what set contain. And the other string abv is only unique. It has not repeat itself. So that is what I want us to take away from this presentation. So I want to comment this out because we are done with the explanation. So we are going to start using exploring the method. So what is the method of some of the method that you can work with? Set, we have dot add, you period your variable of your set name, period it with add, then you pass what you want to add. So this is going to add 4 at the end of our set. So this is our new set now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can also comment this out. So we'll just leave my set. Like I said, this is one way to create sets using curly braces, so you can pass your sets. If you use list, if you use square bracket, it's turning back to list. Is no more set. If you use parenthesis, that is round brackets, is going to be tuple. So you have to be very careful with what you are doing in this case. So these curly braces that we are passing, it behave like set. So that is it. And we add the method add for. Okay, so now we are going to update. So we want to use update to add element to the set from an iterable or another from list or tuple. So we are passing list. We can pass list or tuple for to the update method so that we can update our set. So we have 1, 2, 3. We want to add for 3, 4, 5. So you will see the 3 will be unique. It's not going to get repeated, as we know is unique. It has unique elements. So this is it. The 3 is not repeated, even though we have 3 here. Okay, so we are going to comment this back so that we can run the rest of the method. So we have the method of uh, remove. Yes, this remove the element from the set, so does not raise an error if the element is not found. So as we know, if we pause anything that is not found, it doesn't return error. So 2 has been removed from our list. As we can see, this is our list, 1, 2, 3. So we have removed 2. So now we are returning 1 and 3. Okay, so let's continue exploring some method as well. We want to run this discard. So we also have discard. Discard remove a specific element from the set, does not raise an error if the element is not found. Okay, just like the remove, it doesn't raise error. So we are also removing 2 as well. So we are having the same, basically they are doing the same thing. So uh, we are familiar with pop, so let's try pop. Pop always remove the last element in the list if we have not passed any index to it. So the pop, it has removed 1, that is remove and return arbitrary element from the sets. So it removes the first element, which is 1. So that is what happened here. Okay, so clear, we are familiar with clear. Clear always clear the set. So let's print and see our set is going to get clear. Let me delete this so that we can uh, see the output of empty set. Okay, this is empty set and is returning clear. It's been clear. So that is how it returns, just like the one we do for tuple and list. So they have unique uh, set of elements. Okay, so we are, in this case, we want to comment. Okay, we don't have to. We are going into new different sets. So we want to talk about the properties of sets, just like union set, subset set. So in mathematics, we know what union cell is. So return in sets containing all the unique elements from both set 1 and 2. So that is what basically union is. So this is our first set. This is our second set. As you can see, we are not using the keyword for set. We are using variable. So we are using the curly braces to store the sets. So after that, we want to use the method to union the set 1 and 2. That is means to combine all the unique elements from each set. So we are going to output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though we have duplicate 3 here, it's not going to get it's going to be unique. Only one will get picked. So that is what happened here. As you can see, basically it's not hard for us to run the property of the set. So we are going for intersection. So what is uh, intersection? Intersection return a new set containing elements that are common to 2 or more sets. So the elements that are common to both sets. So what is the common element in this set? We are going to get 3 and 4. So will be our output. So let's test run this by calling set 1 periodic with intersection, then you pass the set 2. Just like the way we did set 1 periodic with union, pass the set 2. So that is how we use it. It's returning 3 and 4, which is here. So basically that is how you can run your method for sets. So these properties are unique for sets. They are only available for sets. Only set data type has, not like the remaining method that we can see clear, update, add, that are familiar with other tuple lists especially. So this one we are trying to get the difference. Return a new set containing elements in one set but not in another. So that means we want to get a difference between set 1 and 2. So now in set 1 and 2, what will be the difference? Is going to return 1 and 2 because the set 2 doesn't have 1 and 2. So that is just what the method difference is doing. So set 1, you period it with the word difference, then you pass the set 2. Okay, so Basically, we are almost checking. Okay, let's remove from the rest so that we can just run them at once and explain. Okay, so this will be the last method we are going to have here. So we have symmetric difference. What does it do? Symmetric difference. Okay, we have not talked about the difference. Oh, we've talked about the difference. So symmetric difference return a new set containing elements that are in either of the sets but not in both. So that is uh, symmetric difference. So if you want to go deep into that, you call your method dot symmetric difference you pass the set to as always. Okay, then we are printing it here. So it's going to print unique element that are in either both of the sets, but like one set one has only one and set three has five, y and set one has two, so that means three and four will not be part of it because both sets have three and four. So that is what symmetric is doing. So let's test run that and see. And the superset, it checks if one set is a subset of another, or so that means if you have all the elements of set one, you can also find it in set two. That means it's a subset or superset. So now we are the reverse will be the superset, yes. So our set one here is going to be one, two, three, and set two contains set one, including four and five. So now this will return true. So we are printing set one dot is superset set two. Yes, it's going to be true, and set two is superset of set one. Set one is subset, sorry, subset is section. That means it's section inside set two. Yes, it's true. And set two is superset, is overriding set one. Yeah, it's also true. That is basically what is going to return. They are boolean. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this presentation. So, in this presentation, we understand what the what set is all about. So we have covered the necessary. Okay, so we have covered the necessary details about sets. In our next presentation, we are going to talk about dictionary. All right, guys, thank you for your time. Have a nice day. We are looking forward to seeing you in our next presentation.